Hi guys, I'm Tony, the car geek on social media, also the founder of the World Divination Association. If you want to join me, find me in the groups on Facebook and find us at our website, worlddivinationassociation.com. Today, we are going to see what kind of beginning to 2020 you can expect. I'm going to lay some cards. All you have to do is choose a pile and we'll see how the year is going to start off for you. Which pile will you choose? How will 2020 start for you? Will you choose pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, pile 4, pile 5, or pile 6? All you have to do is choose a pile and go to your message in this video. The links will be below to the timescale that you need. If you chose pile 1, 2020 is going to get off to an amazing start for you. You have great well-wishers as the clock strikes midnight. You are with probably the people that you love, so much so that other friends might find it a little bit envy-inspiring. You are going to start off 2020 with a bang, and you are going to jump onto any work that you need doing to push your year forward. It's going to be a great start for you. Did you choose pile 2? If you chose pile 2, you are also going to have a solid start to the year. You're going to be signing up to gain some knowledge that you don't have already, maybe get on those Udemy courses that you always wanted to do, and you are going to start the year as you mean to go on, like a force, like a seeker of the goal. Go for your goals this year, 2020, because you are going to start off on the right foot. Did you choose pile 3? Pile 3 shows us you leaving things behind in 2019 that are not serving you well. You'll be leaving friendships behind that haven't been in the best interests for you. You will absolutely at 2019 end off say, that's enough, I'm moving on. And in 2020, you are not the best person in my life, or you are not the best thing in my life. If you have anything that you are wanting to cut out now, even if it's just dairy products, go for it, because this is the time to leave everything behind you and start again. Did you choose pile 4? If you chose pile 4, you have some important decisions to make, and you are going to be making them as you go into 2020. It's going to be the kickstart you need to make those important decisions. Similarly to the pile 3, you have things that aren't serving you well and things that are working against your well-being. It is time, as the clock strikes midnight, to start thinking about what you want to do going forward, and also how you can best serve yourself by starting to make decisions. As soon as decisions are made, it sows the seed for everything else that comes along. So all you need to do is make a decision and stick to it. And that's how you'll start your 2020. Did you choose pile 5? Pile 5, you are finding it difficult to move on into 2020. You may have had a difficult time in 2019 and you are concerned that 2020 is going to be a similar, same, different day. The year will start off with you not feeling that you have started on the right foot. Maybe you can be proactive now in 2019 before that comes to actually make yourself more proactive. But it's a very much a same shit, different day kind of scenario going into 2020. You are in a stable position. You may not believe that right now, but you are stable. You are, or you will be, looked after. So do not concern yourself so much about 2020, because you will go with the flow and it will be all right. Everything will be all right. But you have a little bit of baggage from 2019 that you are taking with you. Let go of it now and then we don't have to. Did you choose pile 6? If you chose pile 6, there have been some difficulties that you are taking with you, similarly to pile 5, in that you have probably been focusing on things at the end of 2019 that are bringing you down, whether that be health, whether that be discord within relationships, for example. And your 2020 focus as you go in is to put a positive spin on the situation. So you are going to start thinking and acting more positively than you have recently. You will still have that baggage of discord as you go into 2020, but you'll be starting to process it in a bit better way, process it in a way that's better for you, and gaining a new focus in 2020 at the start of the year so that you can grow in 2020 and hopefully stop worrying about these things as much. I wish you a great start in the year. More videos coming up. If you haven't joined me in the World Divination Association groups on Facebook yet, make sure you do today. Just search for us or take a look at our website, worlddivinationassociation.com. I'll see you on the next one.